Hi, I'm Al Preston, co-founder of WhoCanFixMyCar.com. So despite the very difficult conditions over the last 12 months, we are going to be running our Garage Awards and we're going to be announcing the winners in the next few weeks. So we've had some great support from our sponsors, and this year the awards is being sponsored by RAC approved garages, amongst many other names as well. And this year also what we're going to do is, because we're not having the big dinner in Birmingham, we're going to essentially cover our costs and then give all of the profits to the charity Ben. So 2020 was an exceptionally difficult year for everybody. So I must say, big well done to all the garages on the platform who toughed it out. I remember in early April getting a lot of calls from the garages who were very, very anxious around what was going to happen over the next few months, because we saw traffic crater, and our own team did an amazing job of adjusting to working from home and doing everything online, and then basically from May onwards we saw a kind of fairly linear recovery all the way back up into 3 record months towards the end of the year. Obviously today we're still under fairly heavy restrictions, but even so there's a lot of volume flowing through the platform. The garages are winning a heck of a lot of work, and we get the sense there's a lot of pent-up demand that's going to be coming through as soon as these restrictions start to lift. So this year it'll be a digital event, and we'll announce the winners online. It's not going to be the same as having the big dinner that we've done over the last few years, but hopefully next year we'll be able to get together, in fact if not sooner, and see some of the winners. So we just wanted to say best of luck to all the garages, and big congratulations to those who will be announced in a few weeks, and we're looking forward to getting out of this period and seeing everybody in person, and we'll have an even bigger event to celebrate next year.